How to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Samsung. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to transfer WhatsApp from iPhone to Samsung. To transfer WhatsApp from an iPhone to a Samsung device without using a cable, there are several methods. One option is to use a third-party tool like TenorShare, iCareFone, or Mobile Trans, which allows you to transfer WhatsApp data wirelessly in one click. Another method is exporting chats by opening a conversation in WhatsApp, tapping Export Chat, and emailing the conversation to yourself. This method does not restore chats directly in WhatsApp, but lets you keep a record. Samsung Smart Switch is another option. Installing the app on your Samsung phone and following the prompts can help transfer WhatsApp data, especially when setting up a new device. Google Drive backup can also be used, but since iCloud and Google Drive are not directly compatible, you may need a third-party tool to restore chats on an Android device. Each method has its advantages, so choose the one that best suits your needs. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.